Presido Buhari don launch the Crisis Management Doctrine. To follow federal government plan to improve security for Naija and fight terrorism, the Office of National Security Adviser don develop National Crisis Management Doctrine to serve as guide to help ministries collaborate to manage crisis for Naija. Presido Buhari wey tok say dis crisis management doctrine na ogbonge document come still tok say e go help improve the security situation for Naija.
I am delighted to state that this is a significant milestone in recognition of the need for our collective efforts towards achieving coordinated, effective, and efficient national crisis management. This shows the renewed promise and commitment of this administration.
Buhari kon yarn say make National Security Adviser continue to do the ogbonge work to help improve security for Naija.
Therefore, I urge the Office of the National Security Adviser to continue to play the coordinating role among crisis response stakeholders to achieve greater successes. I hope that the relationship will continue to be sustained.
Babagana Muguno, wey be the National Security Adviser, tok say dis documents go change the way government ministries, departments and agencies dey take handle crisis.
The implementation of the National Crisis Management Doctrine will no doubt enhance the whole of government approach to management of crisis, as well as improve cooperation and interoperability among response ministries, departments, and agencies. It is to be noted that the National Crisis Management Doctrine can be used to manage both malicious threats and civil emergencies, owing to the general principles set out within it.
Oluwatobi Odeshola, TMC TV News.